when you attend an HBCU, there's a feeling of belongingness. And that permeates through all HBCUs, because when you see someone with a shirt on from another HBCU, you automatically gravitate to them. And so when you're on our campus, you feel part of a family.
As soon as I saw the student body and the excellence and the culture, I was like, oh, please sign me up now.
It really is a family over here, from, you could say, your first day on campus until your last day on campus, and even beyond that.
That's the biggest thing about HBCUs is like, we're really a community. Yeah. Like you were saying, like the support is ridiculous, from the classrooms to the football field to the band program. It's really a family.
I knew that I wanted to go to a HBCU, but I would say I feel like part of my decision was the strong alumni base.
The alumni base here is amazing. It's like the people that graduate from A&T. When you come in as a freshman, they treat you just like you've been here for 10 years, like they've known you their whole life.
Our alumni who are in the Fortune 500 companies, who are working for all of these organizations, provide internships, and paid internships in some cases, to our students, but also employment after they graduate.
It's just alumni feeding back into our university. They're constantly sending you opportunities. That's why my phone going off right now. Like, they sending opportunities with scholarships, resume building, job opportunities.
If I hear of students who are coming, when I worked at other universities, who are coming to grad school from Prairie View, I'm like, come meet me. We need to talk. We need to make sure you're going to be okay. We need to make sure you have everything you need. And I think that's a signature of historically Black colleges, but it always feels better when it's somebody who is from the exact same college you went to.
A lot of the younger students, they reach out to me now, and they're like, hey, I see what you're doing here in the city. Would love to get up with you just to pick your brain. And we just all collaborate and just talk ideas and the best way to be the best storyteller that you could be.
I learned a lot about paying it forward, and this is just an opportunity as alumni to pay it forward.
We graduate from here, we go out and see the world, we make good on the investment that people have given to us here. And if we have the opportunity to come back and then invest in those kids who were us 30 years ago, why wouldn't you want to do that? It's the best job I've ever had.
We're deeply appreciative of the partnership that Honda has created with HBCU bands. We think it's been important to show the rest of the country what these institutions are all about, the incredible discipline that goes into the performances that they give, the musicianship they exhibit. It's just a stunning show.
They have some of the top HBCU bands all in one place, and we're on the field, you know, or in the stands, we're battling, we're going neck and neck. All that competition, rivalry stuff goes out the window. It's like one big family. Everybody's dancing. Those that are Greek, they're strolling. You know, it's really nice. You know, you get to network and meet new people who do what you do.
We're also creating connections that last, you know, after college.
When the band comes out, everybody's attention is on the field. You know it's about to be a party, and the energy rises. And you got people dancing, you got grandma, she's having a good time. It's an unbelievable experience. It's something that you have to see for yourself.
Imagine being in an audience with 76,000 people and you have to find a focal and trigger point for 76,000 people to have some type of nostalgic response to something that you're doing either visually or something that you're playing. And I think that that's what we're all looking for as fans, is to trigger that point in every person that we're in front of.
1, 2, 3, 4, blue sound, go. Everybody say meld. Meld. See, the meld your sounds in. It's really good. You want it to be great, though.
It excites me to see, you know, new people coming in. I really hope that y'all get to see the same things that I experienced.
Nailed it. Good job. Everybody take that one.
I've seen and I've done a lot. My role as a senior now is passing down the torch, making sure the legacy continues.
Right.
You know, keep the ball rolling, keep the tradition going. You know, keep that spirit alive.
We look forward to graduation when they walk across the stage and you hear all the families celebrating those students.
Once you cross that stage, you're immediately a representation of not just your HBCU, but all HBCUs. We hold ourselves to a higher standard.
If you think about the number of minority doctors, lawyers, teachers, the majority of them started at an HBCU. And so it has a significant impact to help create an economy that's gonna be fruitful. So it helps everyone to support HBCUs.
The person that I am or the person I'm becoming is because of the family that raised me and the HBCU I went to.
That confidence we exude when we walk into rooms, it's very noticeable no matter where we go.
The HBCUs have a very specific brand promise to our students.
I think the future of HBCUs are brighter than ever. I think people are paying attention to us in ways that they haven't been before. There will be people who will want to come to these schools so that they can spend some time being nurtured in a place that sees their talent, hones their talent, and tries to get them ready to meet the world.